Welcome back, beautiful family. These are beautiful and classy ways to look amazing and really, really adorable. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you do enjoy that video. The beautiful and most important thing about having a gray hair or having a transitioning is that you have to always look good. You have to try out new hairstyles. You have to always go to the salon, if not every day, but at least you need to visit the salon like once a week or once in 2 weeks to actually give your hairstyle a very good to actually give your hair a very good hairstyle, and also to detangle your hair to make it fluffy and easy for your hand to pass through it, yeah, so that it don't becomes frizzy, because when it's frizzy it starts to pull off, because when you try to comb it starts to pull off, which is not good. It gives you thin hair, which means when your hair starts to pull off, you become bald. So it's not good to be bald. As a lady, it's not good to be bald. So in order to retain that hair texture, the hair moisture, and the hair volume, you need to go to the hair stylist. So subscribe if you haven't. Love this video, share this video, and drop those beautiful and amazing comments.